Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Martin and today I'm joined by my friend.
I'm Shival.
Welcome Shival, and we are at Phone Express headquarters to do the unboxing of the Galaxy A14 5G version. Remember, we were here before and we did the unboxing on the A14 4G version. So we will proceed to do the 5G version and see the comparison. Welcome. This is how our phone looks at physically. This is the physical look of the phone. And inside the box, nothing much comes with the phone. It's just the phone, the SIM slot ejector, and inside this box, you find the USB-C to C charging cable. So that's all that comes packed in the phone. So here, if you look at the physical appearance of the phone, there's not much difference from the Galaxy A14 4G, because you can see it has got a Infinity V display screen and side mounted fingerprint. Then down here it has got the USB-C to C charging port. There's the stereo speakers, there's the headset jack port. Then at the back, the finishing is plastic. It has got a bumpy cameras, 3 bumpy cameras and a flashlight. Then here at the side is the SIM slot. And this one is a dual SIM, so you can use it with 2 SIM cards. That's all about the physical appearance. Now we can proceed on talking about now the performance of the phone.
So Martin, what are some of the advantages of using a 5G phone over a 4G phone?
Differences in the 5G and the 4G, and the main difference that has come is in the internet. So with our era, now we live in an era whereby internet is everything. A lot of people, when you want to pass any information, you do it on internet. So this 5G version has come with improved download and upload speed, especially in those people who do content creation. They need something that will have high speeds of performance. So that is one advantage of the 5G version. And also with the Internet of Things, you can control your home appliances using the 5G versions easier as compared to the 4G. Like Samsung has got a smart fridge. So if you want maybe to control your fridge when you're away and you want good connections, so 5G will give you that better connections. So that is whereby you find out that when you are using the 5G, the purpose that will serve you, it will be better as compared to what you have gotten on the 4G version.
So apart from the network coverage, what are some of the other differences between the A14 5G and the A14?
Okay, the only difference that comes in these two versions is the network connection. One is 5G and the other one is 4G. But any other specs still remains the same. Like it still retains the battery capacity, which is 5,000. The camera lenses are the same, which is 50 megapixels on the main one, 5 megapixels on the wide angle, and the 2 megapixels on the depth camera. And the selfie camera is 30 megapixels. Charging speed 15 watts, so nothing much. And if you want to get more information about the A14 features, you can go to our videos that we had uploaded. A14 upload. We had uploaded the A14 video like 2 months ago. So from there you can find out the features that comes in the A14, which still retains in the Galaxy A14 5G.
So if someone wants to buy this phone, where would they find it and how much does it cost?
So wondering on where you can find us, we have a lot of shops where you can find us. We have a Samsung shop at TRM. You can also find us at Westgate Samsung shop. Also, you can find us at our partner shops, that is PhoneLink or Airtel selected shops. Also, if you want to purchase online, you can find us at phoneexpress.net. You can do your purchases there, whereby we can also do deliveries at your place of wish. So if you want it to be delivered at your place or at your doorstep, then you can do that. So thanks for being with us, guys. That's all about the Galaxy A14 5G, and don't forget to share this video, comment and subscribe to our channel. You can also support us on our website, that is phoneexpress.net. You can purchase from there and your support will be much appreciated. Thank you until we meet again while we do the unboxing of the Galaxy A74. Until we meet again, thank you.